How to apply blur effect using Filmora9. First we have to open the Wondershare Filmora software. So let's get into the video, to learn how to blur the personal stuff. After opening the Filmora software, we see an import option. First we have to import the video file into Filmora. After adding a video file, move the pointer on that file. We can see a plus symbol, click on it. By clicking that, the video file adds to timeline. We have lot of options in Filmora, like audio, titles, transition, effects, and elements. Note, these all options we can see on top. After clicking that option, again we see lot of effects options left side. You can find utility option by scrolling it now. In that options, please select utility option. We can see some effects on right side. Select mosaic effect. By taking our pointer on that effect we can see in plus option, click on it. We can see the mosaic effect added to the video. That effect adds to timeline. Now we can adjust that blur to hide the personal stuff. Click on that effect. Right side on screen we can observe the blur effect. Click on that blur effect. Now we can adjust that blur to hide the personal stuff. That's it. By using Filmora we can blur any personal stuff. Using blur effect, we can blur Gmail IDs, or personal information, or license numbers, etc. Whatever it is, we can hide using blur effect in Filmora9. Whatever it is, we can hide using blur effect in Filmora9. That's it. By using Filmora we can blur any personal stuff. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is interesting, then please like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel Talksstop. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you can get updates of my videos into your mail.